slide. Make sure you stay far away from her, okay? She doesn't know how to slow down yet.
Don't go too fast, sweetheart. You're doing great.
Do I know you? What's your name? Dana? Is your name? No. Remember me, Toby? Yeah. Who's your mom? Okay.
Melody, what you can do to get rolling is just kind of push with your feet if you want to. Start off going downhill. Make sure you're pointed downhill and just kind of push with your feet off the ground. There you go. You're doing it. First time, Mr. Greg, what do you think?
I'll give you this shiny rock and one feeder. But it's shiny. It looks perfect. I know. I used my brake.
You did.
There's lots of ants.
You want to play basketball against me?
Melody, hold on.